She reading? Is something missing? Yes. Look at this timeline. For actions happening right now, we use the present progressive tense. To build it, use this formula. Subject plus a helping verb, am, is, or are, plus a main verb ending in ing. Take a moment to read that formula. Subject, helping verb, main verb with ing. If you leave out the helping verb, the action has no clear time. The am, is, or are acts as the anchor that connects the action to the present moment. Let's map out how to choose the right helping verb. The subject I always pairs with am. I am reading now. Second, a singular subject pairs with is. She is writing a paragraph. Third, plural subjects take the verb are. They are playing outside. This relationship is consistent. The subject you choose always determines which specific helping verb must follow it. Let's fix a common trap. She reading now drops the helping verb entirely. The correct sentence. Here is another mismatch. They is plain. Because they is plural, the helper must be plural. The correct sentence is they are plain. Finally, look at this error. I am write a sentence. The main verb is missing its ending. The correct sentence is I am writing a sentence. Grammatical accuracy requires you to verify both ends of the verb. Check your helping verb at the front and confirm the ing suffix at the back. Let's test this. Prepare to pause the video and write down your answers for a short practice exercise. Look at these 4 questions on screen. Choose option A or option B to complete each sentence. Please pause the video now. Applying the formula to these specific examples helps you see how the grammar rules work in a real sentence. Let's review. 1. Sarah is reading. Sarah is singular, requiring is. 2. They are plain. They is plural, requiring are. 3. I am doing my homework. I pairs with am. 4. The teacher is explaining. Singular nouns use is. Notice the pattern. When you verify your subject first, selecting the correct helping verb becomes an automatic choice. Here are your 3 rules for the present progressive. 1. It happens right now. 2. Follow the exact formula. 3. Never forget your helping verb. Write 1 sentence about what you are doing now in the comments. Mastering this formula ensures your writing is clear and accurate whenever you describe the present. Keep practicing.